Okay. Okay.
Well, the reason why I'm trying to say that get another lawyer too, because he ain't doing nothing for.
What I forgot to do was do breakout rooms. Do I have to get out before I do a breakout room now?
I have no idea, Judge.
Okay, all right,
That was all later, so we'll do that.
yeah. Okay, all right. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to County Court 9. Kevin, I brought everyone in before I did the breakout rooms. Do I have to exit to do that?
To do the breakout rooms?
Right,
No, you shouldn't.
There we
Okay.
just go. I know.
Do you want me to do the breakout rooms?
oh, here we go. I've got it, okay. It's just taking me a little bit longer. Okay. Okay, good morning, everyone. Welcome to County Court 9. I just want to remind everyone that we are going to, well, for one thing, today we are not going to use our usual process. I'm going to call the docket as it is printed out. And I do want to remind you, we do have plea dockets at 1:30 every day, Monday through Thursday. Also, once I call, how do I adjust this? There. Once I call your name and get your information, and you go to confer, once you've finished conferring, I am going to ask you to avail yourself of the hand chat, that little icon that looks like a raised hand. I want to use that so that I can see when you have finished conferring, and I can excuse you, take your information and excuse you, so you do not have to wait through the whole docket. All right. At this time, we're going to go through the docket. And the first case is the state of Texas versus Patricia Medina.
Want me to announce, Judge?
Yes, thank you. Mr. Butler needs to make his announcement. I've just passed by him without thinking. Please.
Morning, everybody. Deputy Butler. County Court 9 is now in session. The Honorable Judge Gloria Saldaña presiding. May I remind everybody, this is an official court proceeding being broadcast live on YouTube and is on the record. Conduct yourself as if you were inside this courtroom. Remove hats, turn off cell phones. If you need to do something other than court business, please mute your mic and disable your video. At this time, everybody needs to mute their mics. Only respond when called upon by Judge Saldaña. Counselors, when the judge calls you to make announcements, please have the case number and page number ready so this proceeding can move expeditiously. Thank you. Let's have a good day.
Thank you, Deputy Butler. Okay. Anne Marie Smith. Anne Marie Smith. Okay, I'll come back to her. Joseph Acevedo.
Yes, Your Honor.
Morning.
Morning.
Is your client here, Mr. Covarrubias?
He should be, Your Honor, and may I go to a breakout room? If you don't see him, I'll reach out to get him on.
Okay, let me call Raimundo Covarrubias. Are you here, sir? You'll please raise your hand. Okay, Mr. Acevedo, I'll mark you conferring, and if you will, please call him to come in.
Thank you.
Oscar Hernandez. Oh, Yeah, looking for a breakout room, right? Okay, Mr. Acevedo, you got that? All right. Oscar Hernandez. I'll come back. Mary Peterzak. Mary Peterzak. Everyone can hear me, right? Okay. I'll come back to that. Anthony Contrell. Jocelyn Andrews.
Judge Cantrell was here. I was just trying to get back to that page. Sorry about
Oh.
that.
All right. Is Mr. Williams here, Mr. Cantrell?
I did not see him, but I know that he's supposed to be here.
Nathan Williams, are you here?
Yes, I'm here.
Okay, sir, thank you. I want to mark you present. All right. What would you like to do, Mr. Cantrell?
I guess I would like to confer.
I'll mark you conferring. You'll get a breakout room. I will do that right now.
Everybody check to make sure your mics are muted, please.
Jocelyn Andrews. Jocelyn Andrews. Scott Courtney. Scott Martinez. Scott Martinez. Ronald Geyer.
Present, Your Honor. That's Brian Keith Gonzalez. It is cause number 625108. I believe it's on the second page. I filed a motion to withdraw from Mr. Gonzalez on the felony charges, and I believe I filed it in your court, but
Okay.
I'm not certain. My assistant is not with me today.
All right. It may be in the group waiting to be signed. All right. So were you hired? You were hired, right?
Correct.
Okay. All right. I'll look for it, Mr. Geyer, and we'll give Mr. Gonzalez. Is Mr. Gonzalez here? Brian Gonzalez? Oh, he's in custody, right?
Yes, ma'am.
He's in
I'm
custody.
here.
Is Mr. Gonzalez, there he is.
Yes, ma'am. I'm here.
Sir, I'm going to give you time to hire another attorney.
Yeah.
So we'll come back in 30 days.
Excuse me, Judge. Like 2 weeks ago, I talked to a court opponent attorney that told me that that you had told him to deal with my charges, I believe. I don't know.
Okay.
I don't know. I was gonna ask if you could give me his contact information and stuff.
All right. All right. I'm going to ask you to go to a breakout room, and
One person ahead of each.
Mr. Courtois will give you that information if he has it, okay? So when you get that on your screen, and your name is Brian, let me see.
Brian Keith Gonzalez, Your Honor.
Here we go. I'm going to send you to breakout room 3, and Mr. Courtois will see if he can find that information for you, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor. And after that,
After that, sir, I'm going to
reset.
reset that till, well, let me see. I do not have those dates. Let me go off the record for a second.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm going to mute myself for a second. That's wrong. Can't do that. Kevin?
Turn on your mic.
Well, I was trying to mute myself.
Probably not. Try 2008, Kristen, and have them tell them to pick up the phone or come over here.
Chris, it's Kevin Milling, the office and chambers. Okay, so he's on here. Can you call him and ask him to call me or, no, call me here at the bench? Okay, thanks. All right, well, I'll just go on with the opportunity. So, Mr. Gonzalez, did you get that prompt to join room 3?
Yes, ma'am. Okay, I'll
Okay.
join you.
Click on that, please.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, thank you. All right, the next one is going to be,
May I be excused, Your Honor?
I'm sorry, who is that?
Rest is
Oh,
out.
yes, Mr. Guyer. Did I give you a reset date? Oh, this is on Brian Gonzalez, right? I'm gonna
Yes.
have to send you that reset date. I don't have it right now.
All right, that'll be fine. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Stacy Kraus. Miguel Hernandez.
Excuse me, Judge. This is Mark.
Yes.
I'm with Stacy Kraus. I guess she's not
She's-
logged into the meeting for some
Right.
reason.
Right, we're gonna wait for her, Mr. Arellano, okay?
Okay, I just wanted to let you know I am here present.
Thank you, sir. Appreciate that.
Sure.
Jesse Sanchez.
Yes,
Jesse
Judge.
Sanchez. Good morning, how are you?
Good morning, Judge. I have two people.
Excuse me
Miss,
one second. 1 second. Hello. Okay, Mr. Sanchez, sorry about that.
Oh, no problem, Judge. Yes, I have two people today. Letus Douglas, that'll be a plea. We've got that worked
Okay.
out.
All right.
And
And so will you be coming in at 1:30 today?
through Zoom or
Yeah, it
in
can be
person.
through Zoom. It can be.
Yes,
through
we
Zoom.
can do it. I just need to get the paperwork, Judge, from the prosecutor.
okay. Yeah.
Or all the
No,
plea paperwork.
Yeah, I'll just give you a 30-day reset on that. I have to wait to get that. In a minute, I'll give you the date.
Okay, that'll be fine, Judge, and then I'll wait for
And then your other one?
is Amber Richardson, and I saw she
Okay.
was logging in. We
Okay,
have an
great.
offer on that case, but I just need to confer with the state before she accepts.
Okay, I will mark you conferring. Let me give you a breakout room.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
That'll be room 4, Mr. Sanchez, okay?
Okay, thank you, Judge.
Thank you. Daniel Rodriguez.
Judge, I'm here on the Daniel Rodriguez case. He's no
Okay.
longer with Brick Defense. I believe you're referring to Angelique Lee, which is cause number 649133.
Thank you.
And
is-
then I'm
is
also
Angelique
here.
Lee here. Do you know?
Yes, I believe she's present with counsel. And then I'm also here on Daniel Martineau. which is cause number 658-879, and he is also present with counsel.
68879. Tell me that number again, please.
Yes, Your Honor, 658-879.
Okay. And Mr. Montano is here?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay.
And if
All right.
I could briefly confer, that would be great.
Okay. I'll mark you conferring on that.
Yes, I'm here, Your Honor.
Oh, thank you. Your Daniel's iPhone? I don't know who said that.
Good morning, Your Honor. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you. I got you.
Thank you, ma'am.
All right. Okay. I mark you conferring. I'm going to send you to room 5.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you.
Hallie. Okay.
Your Honor, when you get a moment, can you please give me co-host privileges?
Yes. All right. Thank you. Okay. The next one is Ramiro Estrada. Ramiro Estrada. Monica Guerrero.
Judge, I'm appearing for Monica Guerrero. She's in a few
Okay.
other. Joseph States in here. Chris Collins is present on Zoom. I need to
Thank
confirm.
you.
I
Mark, you
also,
confirm.
thank you, Judge. I'm also on page 4 for my own client.
All right.
Jose Ibanez, 660021. He's
All
present. Oh, if you can mark
Okay.
me conferring.
All right. And is that the only one of yours that I need to mark right now?
Yes, just these two
Okay.
cases, one for Monica, one of my own.
All right. I'm going to send you to room 7, I think, to confer. Yes, sir.
Hello, has my name been called?
Mr. Statesman, going to go to. Yeah, room 6, Mr. Statesman.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you. All right. Jesse Sepúlveda. Jesse Sepúlveda? No? Okay. Come back. Gary Churuk? Gary Churuk? Alberto Acevedo?
Judge, that's mine.
Good.
I'm David Dominguez.
Yes.
Can I get a reason on that, Judge? I'm in the 187th right now on the trial docket.
All right.
Kind of in a rush.
All right.
I'll confer with the state on it. He is on the Zoom. I see you.
Okay. How about May 11th? Will that work?
That works.
May 11th? Okay. All right. Thank you very much, Mr. Acevedo.
Thank you.
All right.
Judge, I'm sorry, we could not really hear that. Could you repeat the case number and the reset date?
That was on Alberto Acevedo's case. That was cause number
658253.
658253.
Okay, what was the reset date?
May 11.
May 11th. Okay, thank you, Judge.
Thank you. All right, next is Daniel Rodriguez. I think I already called that one. Arnulfo Ortiz.
Present for Joe Ricky Naranjo. Yes, Your Honor. If you still have a Jeffrey King prosecutor, I'd like to confer with him.
Okay, are you here, Mr. Naranjo? Is that the one you're talking about?
That's the one you just called. It's the only one I have this morning with you.
All right, fine. I'll mark you conferring. You'll be in room 7.
Ma'am, thank you.
Thank you.
Your Honor, have you called on Matilda Gomez?
Andrew Del Cueto.
Hi, Judge. It's Taylor Wood from Andrew's office here for our client Jeffrey Mata.
Okay.
Could we confirm?
And- all right, I'll mark you conferring. That'll be in room 8.
Thank you.
Okay, I don't know where she is. Yeah, but she's here for Mr. Del Cueto. I know, but I don't see him in here in the,
660-515.
no, I'm looking for him in the breakout room
Oh, okay.
and I don't see him. And I don't see Taylor Wood, right? Is that what?
Yes, Judge, but it's under Ramos and Del Cueto.
Oh, thank you. Okay.
Sorry.
All right, not a problem.
You working on it?
Yep.
That'll be room 8. Okay. Michael Goins.
Good morning, Your Honor. I'm here on 2
Morning.
cases. The first one is on page 4, 661579. Miss Norma Alonso Mascaro.
Is she here?
Your Honor, I don't believe so. And just so you have some background, she was accepted in the PTD program. I sent her the paperwork for the agreement on January the 26th, and I have not heard from her since.
Okay, we'd have to do a bond forfeiture. Okay. And your other case?
678250 on page 6, Your Honor. Miss Veronica Perez Winningham. And I need to confer on that one. She is here.
I'm
Okay,
here.
thank you. Thank you. All right. I'll mark you conferring. You'll be going to room 9, Mr. Goins.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. There you go. Trey Porter. I think that's a plea coming at 1:30. Mr. Porter's not here. All right, Douglas Daniel.
Hi, Judge. I'm present on that for Andrew Michaels.
Okay.
He is present. I think we're going to have a plea worked out. I was hoping to speak with my client in a breakout room, please.
All right, let me do that right now.
I can tell he's at work, so I wanted to check his availability for the plea.
Okay. All right. That'll be room 10. And
Thank you,
I will
Judge.
send Mr. Michaels there also.
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay. Thomas Limon. Thomas Limon. Okay. Elizabeth Settle. Good morning.
Good morning, Madam Coach.
And you're here on Brittany Tyra?
Yes, and she's right out in the hall.
Great, thank you. What would you like to do?
Judge, this was going to be if she paid upfront restitution and took a course.
Okay.
It's going to be dismissed. She just did that this morning, gave me all the documentation.
Make that red light green, push the button.
It is green.
It is green?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay,
I can't see it.
Okay.
so do you need to confer with the state or you just want to?
Can I confirm? I mean, how can, is that, I need to get on my phone and get in there? Or?
Oh, no, we can do it from here.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I think what we normally do, Deputy Butler, do we send her to that room in front or the old Aleda's office
For
for her to confer with the state?
other confer with the state,
Uh-huh.
the best thing to do is go in the meeting room in between the two entry doors.
Okay.
The conference room, the witness room, and just get on Zoom there, and then the judge will put you in a breakout room through your phone.
Okay.
That'd be the best way to do it.
Oh, from my phone.
Yes, the judge is on the bench, it's kind of, I can't.
Okay.
Sound
It's
or stuff
complicated.
without
It
the
is.
echo.
It's so hard.
I could,
Do
hi, Judge.
you want me to just give you a reset date?
Is Karina still?
Yes, she is.
She's the one that maybe she just jumped in. Karina, was that
Okay,
you?
Karina?
Okay. Yeah, maybe Judge, it's like a week and then I'll send this to Karina today via
Yeah,
email.
let me just go ahead and give you a 30-day reset to May 12th.
Okay.
And that way they'll give you time to get everything.
Yeah, it should be
worked out.
dismissed, like hopefully
Okay,
the next
May
couple days.
12th. Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
Okay.
I appreciate
You
it.
have a wonderful day.
Thank you.
And Miss Brittany Tyra, is she in the Zoom? Is she on the Zoom?
No, she's out in the hallway. Do you want to?
Oh, that's what you said. Okay, well, she's excused.
Yes, Judge, I am.
Thank you.
Oh, yeah, she was. in the hallway.
Oh, okay. All right. Robert Barrera. I think he was here yesterday.
Yes, ma'am. Good morning. I have Mr. Ryan Murphy, cause number 672755 on page 5. And we
Okay.
tendered to Beatrice this morning, pretrial diversion, full restitution, and awaiting the paperwork from her that she would send as soon as she got the restitution.
Right. So I'll just give you a reset for May 12th.
Yes, ma'am. That would be great. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Okay. Have a great day. Thank you, Judge.
You too. Take care.
You
Sean
as well.
Farmer. Sean Farmer.
This client's in the courtroom, Judge.
Okay. Is Sean Farmer on Zoom yet?
I haven't seen him.
Okay, I'll come back. I'll mark Mr. Huerta present. Okay,
Judge, I'm back
Sunny
from
Middleton. I'm sorry, Miss Peace, you had a chance to confer?
Yes, Your Honor. If we could get a 30-day reset on both cases, Daniel Martineau, which is 658879, and Angelique Lee, 649133.
Okay, that'll be reset to May 12th.
Yes,
Okay.
Your Honor. Maybe we'd be excused.
Yes, thank you very much. You have a good
Thank
day.
you so much.
Thank you,
Mr.
Your
Locke,
Honor.
you had a chance to confer? Did you have a chance to confer, Mr. Locke?
Oh, hi, Judge. With my client, yes, and I think that we have a plea, that we're good to go on a plea, and we can do it at 1:30, Judge, if that's enough time for the court to send out the paperwork.
Okay, but you haven't gotten the paperwork yet, right?
Right.
Okay, no, I'm going to give you a reset on that and
Okay.
You will have an opportunity between now and that reset date. If you have the
Okay.
paperwork ready, you can just show up at the 1:30 docket. Okay?
Okay, great. Yeah,
So,
yeah.
that's going to be for May 12th.
Is there any way for a quicker date, Judge, just so we can get it over with?
Oh, no, yes, absolutely. No, I'm going to give you that as a backup. But
Okay.
any day, we have our regular plea docket at 1:30 every day except
Great.
Friday. And all
Okay.
you have to do is let us know you're coming. But, once all that paperwork is ready, you can show up
Okay.
any day that you choose.
Oh, and so is that in person for the
No, it
1:30 or
can
it's
be
still
through
Zoom?
Zoom. It
Okay.
can be through Zoom or in person.
Okay, thanks, Judge. We'll get the paperwork taken care of and come see you real soon on that.
Oh, wonderful. Thank you, Mr. Locke.
Thank
You
you.
and your client are excused, and have a great afternoon.
All right, thank you, Judge.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay. The next person that I need to call is, I called Sunny Middleton. I'm sorry. Did I cut her off? No, I guess not.
Honor was your last one.
Okay, Shannon Locke. Shannon Locke.
Your Honor, good morning. This is Attorney Javier Garcia. I'm here for Shannon Locke on a
Okay.
Jesus Sedano.
Okay.
It's
And is Mr. Sedano here? Do you know?
yes, he indicated that he was.
Okay. I marked him
And-
present.
Your Honor, if I can confer, I am going to ask for a reset, but if I can confer.
Okay. I'm going to give you a reset date of May 12th, and then I can excuse Mr. Sedano, and you can just leave from the breakout room.
Thank you, Your Honor. I
Okay.
appreciate that.
All right, let me go ahead and move you to a breakout room. There we
Thank
go.
you.
And that'll be room 11.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a great day.
Thanks. Thank you, sir. You too. Richard Davis. I see Mr. Swades is here. I'll mark him
I'm
present.
here, Your Honor. Richard
Okay, we'll
Davis.
wait for you. Okay, Mr. Davis, good morning.
Sorry, I couldn't find the unmute button.
Oh, I know. I have trouble with technical stuff all the time. So Mr. Swades is here. I marked him present. What would you like to do, Mr. Davis?
If we could just have a reset to May the 12th at this time, I think we can get it resolved by that setting.
All right, that's fine. May 12th it is. Do you have anything else on our docket?
I do not, and if I may be excused.
Yes, sir. And Mr. Swades may log off at this time also.
Thank you,
Thank
Your
you
Honor.
very much.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, sir. Oscar Hernandez, has he come in? No, all right. James Tochi? Jim Tochi, are you here? Okay, I'll come back.
Hello? Hi,
Yes.
it's for me, right? Okay, yeah, we're still waiting. I guess we're still waiting for my attorney, right? It's Matilda
Yeah, I
Gomez.
can't see. Hold on, where are you?
I'm trying
I
to
don't see you.
let me
Is this
see.
Kelly Green? I'm not sure I'm hearing
No,
everything.
it's Matilda Gomez. Matilda Gomez
Matilda Gomez, okay, and your lawyer is?
is James
Tochi?
James, yes.
Okay, all right, I'll mark you present, ma'am. I'm just going to, we need to wait for him to come in, okay?
Okay.
All right, thank you, ma'am.
I'm present as well, ma'am.
I'm sorry. All right, I'll get to you. I'm calling the attorneys first. And everybody's busy, so they're in other courts right now. We'll just wait for them, okay?
Okay, appreciate you.
All right, thank you, sir. All right. Mr. Keith Engelke? Keith Engelke, are you here? All right. Anton Hayek, are you here? He's in trial in another court. So Taisha Hall, are you here? Taisha Hall? All right. Frank Sanchez, are you here? I'm calling you because you do not have an attorney. Angela Blake? Angela Blake? All right.
Your Honor, this is Richard Moniz. Do I have an attorney still?
Who was your attorney before?
Mary Patricia.
Yeah, Ms. Petrosic, she didn't answer up there.
Okay.
533-620.
533-620.
First page, fourth down.
Thank you.
Yes, 2 pages.
Okay, Mr. Munoz, we are waiting for your lawyer. Do you have to go to work, sir? I can excuse you if you like that.
Yes, please, ma'am.
Okay, all right. I'm going to mark it at 10:45. I'm excusing you. You just stay in touch with your lawyer, okay? So you don't miss
Okay,
your next court date. Have a
thank
good
you.
day, sir.
Thank
Thank
you.
you. All right, let me
Excuse
come
me.
back.
No, sir. Please mute your microphone. The judge will announce your name, then you can speak. Thank you.
Have I called on all the attorneys that are present? Are there any attorneys in the courtroom? All right, it looks like I've called on all the attorneys.
No, Your Honor,
All right.
Thomas Lemon appeared. If you called me, I must have missed it.
Oh, okay, Mr. Limon. Yes, sir. Who are you here on today?
I would be here on a Norman Bickham, 667590.
All right, let me get there. Okay, 667-591. Okay. Is Mr. Bickham here?
Yes, ma'am, I'm present.
Thank you, sir. I'll mark you present. What would you like to do on this, Mr. Limon?
I'd like to speak to the state if there's somebody available.
Okay. I'll mark you conferring. Let me send you to a breakout room, and that'll be, I'll give you a room in a second. Let me see.
Thank you, Judge.
That'll be room 12. Okay?
Thank you. I see it now.
Thank you. All right, so I'm sorry, this has been a very different experience for me. Aleda's not here today, obviously. So I thought it would be easier just calling the docket the way it's printed, but it's not. All right, so at this time, let me find out who, Mr. Sanchez, I'm sorry, I just now saw you.
Yes, Judge, on Amber Robinson, she is present. I've gotten clarification on her case, and Ms. Douglas will be doing a plea. So if we can set them both at the same day, and then if once I speak with Ms. Robinson, and if she agrees, then I can call the court, maybe set them a little bit earlier.
All right, can you give me that cause number so I can find it, please?
On Ms. Robinson, it's
I see it. Okay, Rivera Robinson.
yes, 646-504, and Miss Douglas, she's got two cases, 648-909 and 910.
Okay, now you know what? You're going to plea on the 648-909. One of those is not a file yet.
Yes,
I'm
we're
sure
going to
you're
plea
aware
on
of
the
that.
909, and they'll TIC the
Okay,
910.
all right. So did you get the paperwork already, Mr. Sanchez?
Not yet, Judge.
All right,
And if we can set them both for the same day, once I
yes.
talk to Miss Robinson, and then if she agrees, then I could call the court and try to set them a little bit
All
earlier.
right.
Any
So
day
May
at
12, will
1:30.
that work for you?
Yes, Judge, that will.
Okay,
And if
on
I
both
could,
of those.
yes.
You know,
Okay, Judge, and they're both present, so may we be excused.
yes, sir. Thank you very much, Mr. Sanchez. You have a great day.
Thank you.
And
You too.
Ms. Robinson and Mr. Douglas can log off at this time. Thank you.
Thank you.
Your
All
Honor,
right. Yes.
this is Valenzuela. I didn't hear you even announce my name on the docket.
All right. You need to turn on your video so I can see.
It's on.
CC9 Valenzuela. Okay. All right. And your lawyer was who? Who's your lawyer, ma'am?
I'm not sure.
Okay.
I am being detained though, and I'd really appreciate not being reset.
Okay. All right. So Mr. Engelke is your lawyer, ma'am. But we're going to have to wait for him. People are in other courts and they come to us when they get free.
Oh, wait.
All right. All right. Thank you.
Thank you,
Mr.
ma'am.
Ortiz, thank you, ma'am.
Yes,
Mr.
Your Honor.
Ortiz,
On
you had a
page
chance
4,
to confer?
I did,
All
and I'm
right.
ready to make an announcement. On page 4, fourth from the bottom, it's a Joe Richard Naranjo.
Yes, sir.
It is to be dismissed. I understand it's already been submitted.
Okay. All right. Well, I'm going to reset it to May 12th as a backup, just to be sure.
Sounds good. May we be excused, Your Honor?
Yes, sir. Have a great day. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
And Mr. Naranjo can log off too. Thank you. All right, who else is back? Scott Martinez.
Yes, Judge. I
Okay,
have a
what
Crystal
case are you
Vidal.
here on?
Crystal Vidal, case 624-870.
624-870. Okay, and is Ms. Vidal here?
I've called and texted her. I don't know if she's, well, is she present, Judge?
Okay, you had a chance to confer on her case though?
Not yet, Judge, but if I could, that'd be nice.
All right, I'll mark you conferring. I'll send you to room 13. Okay. All right, Mr. Goins, you had a chance to confer, sir?
I have, Your Honor, the state requested the time to review the file, that they would email me an offer before the next hearing.
Okay. We'll reset that to May 12. Will that work for you?
That'll work, Your Honor. May I go to a breakout room with Miss Perez Whittingham? She has her hand up on the
Yes.
left hand.
All right, give me that cause number again, please.
678-250.
Okay. And you want to confer with Ms. Pettis Whittingham right now? I'll go ahead and send you to a breakout room. It'll probably be 13.
Thank you, Your
But
Honor.
14. Let me find you for a second. Okay. Move to room 13. No, it'll be room 14, Mr. Goins, and I'll send Miss Bettis Whittingham there.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Excuse me, Your Honor.
I'll be with you in 2 seconds. Let me just get this done.
Yes, ma'am.
Veronica.
Just a reminder, everyone needs to stay muted until the judge calls you to make an announcement. Otherwise,
All right.
things get kind of jumbled up.
All right. So let me see who else is here. Ramos and Del Cueto, did you have a chance to confer? Did you have a chance to confer?
Hi, Judge. Did you call me by chance? I'm sorry.
Yeah, you're Miss Pease, right?
No, it's Taylor Wood.
Taylor Wood. Okay. No, I had not called on you. I think I
Oh.
called you earlier, right? Did you
I'm
have
not sure. I was in another Zoom. I was doing 2 of the Zooms at the same time, so I thought I missed you.
Yeah, I think I did call you. I think I gave you, did you want to confer on that matter?
We already conferred, actually. We're still missing some discovery on our case. The client is Jeffrey Mata,
Okay.
and he's here at our office.
Okay, do you give me a cause number on that so I can find it easier?
Yes, let me pull it up.
Yeah, I had marked you conferring in room 8, but you didn't need to do that, right?
I did already.
Oh, okay.
It's cause number 660-515.
Okay. And so you just need a reset now?
Yes, please.
Okay. That'll be May 12.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you very much. And you and Mr. Mata can log off. Have a good day. Thank you.
Thank you too.
All right. Thomas Limon, you had a chance to confer?
I did, Your Honor. He has a second pending case out of County Court 7 that the prosecutors in this court are deferring to. So I'm gonna have to work that out with County Court 7.
Okay. I'm not finding it. Can you give me the cause number on that, please?
Yes, ma'am. It's 667-590.
All right, 667-590. Okay. I see 667-591. Yeah, that's it. Okay. And basically you just need a reset now.
Yes, ma'am.
May 12, please.
Sure.
So Mr. Bickham can log off at this time. Stay in touch with your lawyer. Thank you, Mr. Limon.
Thank you, ma'am. You have a great day.
You too. All right, let me take a, Mr. Bickham, you're welcome to log off at this time, sir. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. Have a good day.
You too, sir. Yes, you need to approach.
Yes, ma'am. I'm here on 675550 Matthew Ortiz.
Okay,
And if, I don't know if I can do it here or you want me to log on to talk to the DAs.
you need to confer with the state.
Yes.
Yeah, you need to log on,
Okay, no problem.
unfortunately.
That's okay. Thank you.
I'll mark you conferring though, and I'll give you a breakout room. All right, Sunny Middleton. Okay, so I have to wait till you log on because you're not on my list yet. Okay.
Judge, it's
Yes,
Anthony
ma'am.
Cantrell. I have a notice for you, please.
I'll be with you in 1 second.
Yes, ma'am.
Same situation, Judge. I'm going to log on and I'm here for 680876.
Okay.
It's a brand new case.
Kyria Davis?
Yes,
Okay, do you know if she's on?
she said she was.
Okay, all right, so I'm gonna mark you conferring and I'll give you a breakout room as soon as I can see you on my list. Okay.
I'm here.
All right, thank you very much. Yes, ma'am.
Hi, Judge. I think both my clients are here.
Okay,
And I guess I'm gonna need to confer.
okay. Let me see. You're here on Garciela Rodriguez and she's here.
I believe she should be there.
Yeah, she's on.
Okay, thank you.
And I see Mark.
Yes, ma'am, I'm here.
Thank you. All right, so you want to confer? If you log on, I'll go ahead and give you a breakout room.
Okay, I do need to go to County Court 15 as well, so I think I'll pop into there real quick because
Yeah.
that is in person.
Okay.
And then pop back over here.
That sounds good. Thanks. Okay. All right. Let me go ahead and find you, Miss Middleton, and give you a breakout room. Here we go.
Thank you.
And that'll be breakout room 12. Thank you. Okay. And the last one was Angela Blake. Let's see if she's on. Not yet. All right.
Good morning, Judge.
Good morning. How are you doing?
Pretty good, ma'am. I'm just making sure my lawyer's in, Joseph Acevedo.
He was here earlier. What is your name, sir?
Raimundo Covarrubias is that I was having a lot of trouble with my phone. That's the only thing.
Okay, I'm going to mark you present, sir. He was conferring. I think he's done. Let me look and see if he's here, still here.
Okay.
Oh, he's still here.
Okay.
No, he's not. He's done, I think. Actually, let me see.
I'm having a lot of trouble with my phone. It would blank out every time I would get in the meeting. It was just so.
Yeah. Well, I'm going to reset that for May 12. Okay, Mr.
Okay.
Covarrubias, and you're welcome to log off.
Thank you,
And,
Judge.
just stay in touch with your lawyer, okay?
Yes, ma'am. You have a great day.
You too.
Thank you.
Hello, Your Honor, may I approach?
Yes, sir.
Hi, I'm here for Immaterial Huerta. This is Sean Farmer. It's on page 5, and I'm hoping to confer with the state.
All right, let me just find it here. Okay, and he is present. I'll mark you conferring. I'll give you a breakout room. I'm Farmer. That'll be room 13.
Okay, thank you.
All right, thank you. All right, let me see. Mr. Statson, you had a chance to confer? Joseph Statson, you're still muted. If you're on another Zoom, that's okay. Okay, Miguel Hernandez, good morning.
Good morning, Your Honor. I apologize for being late. I was in the 187. I was set to
totally
pick a jury, but they decided not to. I have two cases, Your Honor, Mr. Paul Estrada and Mr. Bruce Rosas.
Okay.
Mr. Estrada's case was indicted and is set for May the 6th. I don't know if we could get something worked out. I reached out to the prosecutors, but have not gotten anything back from the felony prosecutors as to how they want to proceed on this matter. If they want to take these two into consideration or what they would do with them.
But you're not the attorney on the felony, right?
I believe I am, Judge.
Oh, are you? Okay.
Yeah, like I said, I reached out to the felony. It's an aggravated robbery, but yes.
Okay.
But they haven't gotten back with me. But then again, I've been running around and I had trial last week, trial this week, a lot of trials. So
do you want to just reset that since you have that felony still pending?
If I could, Judge, I would appreciate on Mr. Paul Estrada to do that.
How about June 12? Will that work?
That'll work fine, Judge.
All right. That's what it'll be. And is Mr. Estrada in custody? I don't see
No,
him.
he's I saw him in the lineup, I believe.
Oh, he is here. I marked him present. Okay,
Your
never
Honor.
mind.
May he be
Thank you,
excused, Your Honor?
Yes, Mr. Estrada, you may log off at this time, sir. Just stay in touch with your lawyer, okay?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
And
Okay.
Judge, Mr. Rosas, may I speak to a prosecutor? We
Yes,
may
sir.
have something worked out on that matter.
All right. And is Mr. Rosas here?
Yes, I'm present, Your Honor.
Thank you. I appreciate that, marking you present. I'm going to give you a breakout room, Mr. Hernandez, and it'll be, let me see. It'll be room 14.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you. Okay. Mr. Cantrell, good morning, sir.
Good morning, Your Honor. The state's going to dismiss the case on Nathan Williams. It's either on page 1 or 2, but I think it's on 1.
Let me see. Okay. And you think it was dismissed?
They're
All
going
right,
to
so-
they're going to submit the paperwork.
All right. So I'm just going to reset that as a backup for May 12th. Obviously, once the paperwork is signed, it'll fall off the docket, okay?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you. May I be excused?
Anything else?
Nope.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much, sir. And Mr. Williams is excused also.
Thank
May
you.
log off.
Bye.
All right, Mr. Williams, thank you. All right. Mr. Stateson, Joseph Stateson is still on the phone. Okay. Joseph Acevedo. I think your client was just here.
Yes. Covarrubias.
Mr. Covarrubias, right? Mr.
Yes.
Acevedo? You
Yes,
had a
Your Honor,
chance
I'm
to
here.
confer? Okay, did
Yes,
you
Your
have a
Honor, they were
chance?
gonna be,
Okay.
the state was gonna be submitting a dismissal.
Dismissal, okay. All right, so I did excuse Mr. Covarrubias just a few minutes ago, but I'm going to reset it until May 12 as a backup, just to
Okay.
make sure that dismissal paperwork gets signed, okay?
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Mr. Acevedo. You have a great day.
You too.
Your Honor, you called my name a few times. I apologize. Joseph Stateson.
Oh, I know you were busy, Mr. Stateson. You had a chance to confer?
I did. On my client, page 4, Jose Ibanez, 660021.
Okay.
The state has received a packet that I sent them. They're going to see if he will be approved for PTD. We don't have permission to apply yet. We just need time for the prosecutor to see if this is a case that they would take into
Okay.
PTD, if we could have a reset.
Okay, May 12th.
Got it, May 12th. And I'm also here for page 3, Chris Collins,
Mhm.
and 651936. Before I announce, we have a new offer, but can I confer with Mr. Collins to see if this is something we can resolve today?
Yes, sir. Let me put you in a breakout room with Mr. Collins. 1 second.
Thank you.
And if, as backup, I'm just going to reset you to May 12th,
Okay,
and you can just leave from the breakout room, okay?
Got it. Thank you, Judge.
Thank you. So let me see, Joseph states, and I'm going to find you down here in one of these rooms. Here we go. I'm going to move you to room 1, and I'll send Mr. Collins there also.
Great. Thank you.
Thank you. Okay. Ms. Burke, good morning. How are you today?
Good morning, Your Honor. Thank you. I'm well, and I hope you're also. I'm here on Robert James. He's on page 6 at the top.
All right.
He
And
has,
James
he's on
is
here.
here.
I need to confer with him, but I want the court to know that he has 4 pending felonies, and they're all from the same episode as this one misdemeanor. And so I think I'm going to wind up disposing a felony, which will take into consideration this misdemeanor, but I'd love to talk with him in a breakout room, and then can I be excused after I talk to him?
Yeah, okay, so that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Mr. James, and I'm going to give you a reset date. You're the attorney on the felonies, right?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so that'll be June 12th. Going to
Thank
reset
you.
it to June 12th. And
Thank you.
from there, you and Mr. James can leave the breakout room after you was, oh no, he can leave after you speak with him, and then you can leave from there after you speak to the state. Okay, all right, let me do that right now. And that'll be room 15. I'll send Mr. James there. Okay. Robert James. Okay, he's under CC9, James. Okay. Mr. Farmer, you had a chance to confer, sir?
Yes, Your Honor. And I'll be requesting a quick reset for possible dismissal.
Okay. All right, and we're going to reset it for May 12th. And obviously, once the paperwork gets signed, then it just will drop off our docket, okay?
Okay, thank you, Your Honor. May be excused.
Thank you. And Mr. Huerta is excused and may log off at this time also.
He's in the courtroom. Have a great day.
He's in the courtroom? Okay, sir. Thank you very much. You're excused, sir.
Okay, thank you.
I'm sorry, I could not hear.
Approach, come up.
So your client is here. Yes, sir.
This is Cemetery Huerta. I hear my name as somebody told me.
Yeah, your lawyer just talked to the state, and I reset it to come back May 12th, but I think he thinks it's going to get resolved before that. But May 12th, if it doesn't get resolved, be sure and be here, okay?
All right, I appreciate it.
Thank you, sir. You have a great day. Take care. Okay, did you get your breakout room yet? No. Okay, I was looking for it up here, but it didn't show up. I don't know why not. You're in the waiting room. That's what's wrong. Okay. Let me get you in here. Okay, let me give you your room right now. And you wanted to talk to the state, that'll be room 16. Kraus. We'll go to 17. Sorry?
Forrest, good, never seen him before. The transit law, I guess he's here from Mary.
I didn't hear you.
Forrest Good. I've never seen him before. He's
Oh.
at Trosvik Law.
Yeah. Yeah, I've seen him once before. Okay.
Sorry.
All right, I think I got all the ones I just admitted. Who else was I? There was somebody else I needed to put in a breakout room. I see Angela Blake and Stacy Kraus. Do you remember who the third person was? Well, let me
No,
look up
you
here.
got
See.
everybody.
Did I?
Yeah, I told you what to talk to his client, but Angela
Okay.
Blake was the last one to go into a
Okay.
breakout room that you needed.
Okay.
You got everybody assigned where they need to go.
All right, so, Mr. Hernandez, you had a chance to confer, sir?
Yes, Your Honor, if I could really quickly speak to my client, I believe I tried calling him, but I could just tell him what the deal is. I think we have a resolution to this matter.
He was here. Did I excuse him? I didn't
I don't
excuse
think
him.
so.
I'm still here, Your Honor.
Okay, Mr. Rosas is here. Is that who you wanted to talk to, Mr. Hernandez?
Please, Judge. Yes, Judge.
Okay, let me put you all in a breakout room together. I'll do that right now. I'm going to send you to room 2, Mr. Rosas and Mr. Hernandez.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you. All right. Okay. Let me see. Mark Arellano is still waiting for his lawyer. I just saw Mr. Good. There we go. Forrest Good. Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Who are you here on today?
I'm here on behalf of Mary Peterzak on 2 cases, Adrian Martinez and Richard Muniz.
All right, Mr. Munoz is here. Let me find the other one. Do you have a cause number for the other one?
Yes.
I found it.
Oh,
Okay.
yes.
Adrian Martinez, are you here, sir?
Ma'am.
Adrian Martinez.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, great. I'll mark you present. All right, what did you need to do on this, Mr. Good?
On Richard Muniz, there's
Yes.
a felony in a different court, and so we'd like that one reset. And as far as Adrian Martinez with the MTR, I'd like to speak with the prosecution.
All right, I'll mark you conferring on that. So on Mr. Munoz, he has felonies pending. Are you all the attorneys on the felonies? No?
Let's
Okay.
see, case. I'm not sure, Your Honor.
Okay. Well, I'm going to, I excused him at 10:45. I believe I did. I wrote, are you here still, Mr. Munoz? No, I think I did excuse him. So did you want to confer on that?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, I'll mark you conferring on that one and on Mr. Martinez. Mr. Martinez is here. Let me give you a room. I'll find it first. Hold on a second here. That'll be room 18, Mr. Good, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. All right.
Excuse me, this is Adrian Martinez. Do I wait?
I can excuse you, Mr. Martinez. Your attorney's conferring with the state. I can excuse you and you just stay in touch with him, okay? And he can give you an idea of what's happening. Is that what you want? I mean, you're welcome to stay or you're welcome to leave, whatever you need to do.
I'd like to stay.
Okay. Yeah, so then basically you just need to wait till he finishes talking to the state. And then you all can maybe, if you want, confer here or confer off docket.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
All right, thank you. So I just, Mark Arellano, you're still waiting for your lawyer, right? Mark Arellano?
Yes. She's not in the courtroom yet.
No, not yet.
So I'm not sure what I'm waiting for.
All right. She did. She just came in. She came from another court and she is conferring.
Okay.
So I do see here that Ms. Castillo had reset this for May 23rd, but she is here. So I'm guessing your lawyer's going to talk to the state about it.
Is she conferring on my case or another case?
Well,
since she's
I'm
not
sure
in the
she is because she's here on other cases.
Yeah.
At any
Okay.
rate, I'm sure she's going to take advantage, but I can excuse you and then you just stay in touch with her and find out what happened.
I did. I sent her a text earlier, and she wanted me to stay in the courtroom.
Okay.
So
good.
I'll stay until further notice.
Okay, thank you. I appreciate your helping me with that. Okay.
Sure.
So-
Thank you.
All right, so
Okay.
at this time, let me see who else do I need to address. Kiara Davis, would you please unmute yourself and turn on your video?
Kiara Davis.
Okay, I think your lawyer, what's the name of your lawyer?
I believe like Angela.
Angela Blake, yes. She
Yes.
came from another court. She is here in person and she's conferring. So you can wait for her. Excuse me.
Yes, I'll stay.
I can excuse you, whatever you want to do. I need a glass of water.
Thank you.
Yes, Judge, have you called my name?
Not yet. Okay, so Ms. Davis is going to wait. Okay. Ms. Medina, who's your lawyer?
Jennifer Sakara.
Ann Smith on the docket, Judge. First.
I have not been able to get in touch with her. She has not called me back. So I'm requesting to hire an attorney.
Okay. I understand she just did come in. Is that right, Deputy Butler?
I'm not familiar with the names and faces yet. I didn't see Miss Smith here.
Okay. All right.
Rouse and Blake and Sonny Middleton were the only three.
Yeah. Okay. So, Ms. Medina, you want me to just reset you so that you can hire an attorney? Is that what you're saying?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am, please.
All right. Let me give you May 12th.
Okay.
But do you have Ms. Smith's phone number?
No, I don't.
Okay. All right. Deputy Butler's going to text it to you, so you will have it. Okay.
Okay.
But because of this pandemic, there's a backlog and everybody is very busy right now. So if
I
your lawyer
understand.
hasn't had an opportunity to get in touch with you, there's a good reason. So I think this is probably
Okay.
your first appearance on this, isn't it? Is this the first time?
Yes,
you're in our
ma'am.
courtroom? Yeah, yeah. So I think you
Yes,
should
ma'am.
try to talk to her and, because, and I know a lot of times you'll call and you'll get the voicemail and it'll be full.
Right.
But, if you can text, that'll be probably better. Okay.
Okay. All right.
But you will need to be back May 12th. Okay. Write that
Yes,
down.
ma'am.
That's important. Okay.
The same.
All right,
the
Ms.
same-
Medina, I'm going to excuse you at 11:20. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. You take care.
You too. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
I have a box of Kleenex there.
You know.
Where to find some more.
Thanks. All right. Sunny Middleton, did you have a chance to confer?
I did, Your Honor, and my client is welcome to take a plea. Do you want us to take it today? Would you like us to reset it?
Okay. Did you already get the paperwork from the state?
Not yet, no.
Okay.
I just got back,
You-
so I
yeah,
need to find
yeah.
Jeffrey to let him know.
Right. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to reset it to May 12th. And then we have a plea docket every day at 1:30, except
12th.
Monday, except Friday. Monday through Thursday, we have plea dockets at 1:30. Just let us know you're coming and we'll have our paperwork ready.
Okay, and plea
we'll-
docket, is that live or on Zoom?
Either one. You can
Okay.
come Zoom or you can come live, and it's at 1:30. And I mean, if you get that paperwork and you fill it out before 1:30, we'll be glad to see you at 1:30.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. But I'm going to give you a backup reset date just to be on the safe side, okay?
Okay, yeah, you said May 12th?
May 12th, right,
Yes,
correct.
ma'am. I have
Okay,
that.
great. All right,
Thank
thank you
you.
very much, Ms.
Uh-huh.
Middleton, and your client is excused. And they go.
Thank
log
you.
off at this time. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Have a good day. Hi, how are you doing?
I'm Mark Ariano. The state is going to be tendering a dismissal to you, and it should be shortly.
Okay.
And on Graciela, I have an offer. She's sending me the offer this morning, so I'll have an offer that we're probably going to accept. I want to go over it with my client once I receive it.
Okay.
So I just need a reset for that.
Okay, I'm going to give you a reset of May 12th.
May 12th.
And
okay.
on the ones that they're going to be pleased, those will be backups in case, life happens. Sometimes you think you're going to get stuff done and you don't. So,
Okay.
but once a plea is done, it'll obviously come off our docket.
Okay. So May 12th for
For all of
Graciela.
them. Uh-huh.
Okay. Are they excused? Can you let them know
Yes.
they're excused?
Yes,
And I'll call Mark
Graciela
in a second.
Rodriguez and the other one was
Mark Ariano.
Mark Arellano. I think I just excused him 2 minutes ago.
He's still there.
Is he still there?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, he
I
said
told
you
him to stay on.
That's right.
I'm still here,
That's-
ma'am.
Okay.
Yeah. I'll call
All
you in
right.
a second, Mark. And Graciela, I'll call you later today, okay?
Yeah, and y'all
Okay,
can log
sounds
off.
good.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Am I excused, Judge?
Thank you.
Judge,
Yeah, I'll be with you 1 second. Let me just make a note here.
okay, I didn't know if Stacy wanted me to stay on still.
I'll be with you 1 second.
Okay,
May 12. Okay. Because I will forget if I don't write things down. All right. Yes, sir. Who is talking to me?
Mr. Ariano again.
Oh, Mr. Arellano?
Stacy Krause's.
Can
He
you
wasn't- He didn't understand if he could leave or not.
unmute yourself, Mr. Arellano, and turn on your video?
He just walked away.
Okay, I think he probably got the information. Mr. Hernandez, you had a chance to confer? Oh, yeah. Amigo
Yes, Your Honor.
Hernandez?
Yes, Your Honor. We have an agreement on Mr. Rosas.
Okay,
I've already spoke to Mr. King. I'm gonna I sent him his, Mr. Rosas email. But I think we're gonna need to reset this because we don't have the paperwork for a plea in the future.
all right. So that'll be May 12th.
Thank you, Judge.
But you know that you can do that plea as soon as you have your paperwork ready and done. You can do it the same day, okay?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you very much.
Thank you very
May
much. You have a
Mr.
great
Rosas
day.
and I be excused?
Yes, sir. Y'all have a great day. Thank you. Mr. Rosas can log off. Ms. Blake, you had a chance to confer?
Yes, Judge, the state's dismissing my client's case 680-876. So may we both be excused.
All right, let me see, 680-876. And
680-876, yeah.
what were they going to do with that?
Dismissal.
Okay. I'm going to set a backup of May 12th, just to be sure that paperwork gets signed, okay? Obviously,
that sounds good.
fall off the docket before that.
That sounds good, Judge. Do you have a new replacement for Aleda yet, or?
I'm sorry, tell me that again?
Do you have a replacement for Aleda yet?
No,
Okay.
not yet.
Okay.
No. But hopefully we'll be getting somebody soon, so.
Okay,
let's-
cool. All right.
Okay.
Thanks,
Thank
Judge.
you.
Appreciate it.
Thank you.
Was Angela Blake not representing Valenzuela CC9?
Say that again? Miss Valenzuela, it's Miss Blake? Angela Blake?
I don't believe so, but I could.
If you could,
Miss
if you can.
Okay, what is your first name, Miss Valenzuela?
It's Ashley Valenzuela.
Let me see if I can find it on our docket.
680-805.
680-805.
I sent it 1244A and
It's Keith Engelke, Judge.
Oh, that's who it is. Yeah, it's Mr. Engelke. We're waiting for him.
Angela Blake could represent me if she doesn't mind. I'm being detained here.
You would like her, but
She's hired. Thank you.
Thank you.
I'm sitting here waiting patiently.
Everyone else is there. So everybody else is patient too.
Yeah.
The gentleman in the courtroom,
Yes, sir.
Guadalupe Hernandez.
Guadalupe Hernandez, what case number is that?
It's going to be 663-842. No attorney. Mr. Courtois
Mhm.
has a attorney for him, but he can't set a reset date for him.
Okay, we'll reset that. That's Guadalupe Rodriguez? Is that what you said?
Guadalupe Rodriguez,
Yeah.
yes, in the courtroom.
Mr. Rodriguez, we're going to reset it to May 12th. Good morning. Sorry, we're very slow today, unfortunately. So you need to be back in court May 12th, but.
Excuse me, Your Honor.
Yes.
This is Bruce Rosas, and I had just lost connection when you were talking to my lawyer, so I don't know if I was excused or not.
Yes, sir. You may log off. Thank
Okay,
you very
thank you.
much, Mr. Rosas. Take care.
You too.
So you need a lawyer. Did you fill out some paperwork already?
Yes, ma'am. I did.
Okay. All right, then just be sure you'll get a lawyer and just be sure and come back May 12th. Okay, write that down. Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you. Go back to Kevin, where you gave him the paper in the back room. He'll have an attorney information for you. He said he's got one for you already.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, sir. You too. All right. Ms. Valenzuela is waiting for her lawyer. Let's see. Mr. Courtois, is there any way you could re-invite Mr. Engelke? It's 11:25, 11:28.
Yes, Judge, I'll send him an email. I just tried calling him, but I did not receive a response.
Okay. He's probably in another court. That's probably the
That's
issue.
fine. I'm waiting.
Yeah, yeah. he's-
Sorry.
They're very busy to this, since this pandemic.
I've got
everyone's
nothing but
catching-
time. I got nothing but time. I'm sitting here waiting patiently. Sorry, ma'am.
Yeah, well.
Thank y'all.
but, Yeah, I just don't want you to think that he's ignoring you because.
Thank
actually
you. It's
he's a
okay.
good
I
lawyer.
understand. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Mr. Jaime Galvan, sir, who is your lawyer?
Hi, good morning, Judge. It's Ramiro Estrada.
Estrada?
649-215.
I don't know if he's in another court right now or.
Yeah, I'm sure he is in another court. We're going to try to re-invite him because it'll just be a little reminder. He'll be getting that on his email.
Yeah,
Okay.
he let me know yesterday about this court, so.
Okay.
busy or something.
Good morning. Would you like to approach?
Well, County Court 9 on my calendar, but no on its name.
Oh.
So
That-
I'm a bit of a loss.
You can't even guess, huh? You do have a client and let me see, Miss Matilda Gomez, I think. Yeah, yeah, she's been waiting for you. Do you want to? You're busy. Everybody's, yeah, I understand. They understand. I mean, so, but if you want to log into Zoom, maybe you can meet with her in a breakout room.
I can. I have no discovery. I was hired less than a week ago.
Okay. Well,
So if you would like me to do that, I will. I'll be requesting.
let me give you the reset. It'll be May 12th. Ms. Gomez, can you, okay, your lawyer is here. We're going
Okay.
to put you all together in a breakout room. I'm going to give you a reset date of May 12th. You need to
Okay.
write that down, okay?
Yes,
And
ma'am.
so then you and your lawyer can leave from the breakout room. You don't have to come back into court. Okay?
Okay. Okay.
All right. Okay.
Do you want me to zoom up from my phone?
Yeah.
So we're gonna go into a breakout room. Okay,
Yeah, I'll give you a prompt in just a second,
I'll be there
okay?
in just a minute.
okay.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you.
Apologize for being so late.
You can go in the conference room, sir.
You guys were excused from there?
You're excused from there, right? And I can't put you in a breakout room till I see you on Zoom. All right, thanks.
Judge, just to let you know, I did make contact with Mr. Engelke, and
Yes.
he is in a felony court doing paperwork, so it sounds like it may be a while. There
Yeah.
is also, just so you know, a felony MTR pending for Ms. Valenzuela, and it seems like that one is set for May the 4th.
Okay. All right. So, Ms. Valenzuela, I know you want to wait for your lawyer.
Yeah.
But it may be cutting into lunch.
Okay.
So, I tell you what, maybe since he's tied up in a felony court, maybe we can try to recall this tomorrow.
Please, I'd appreciate it.
Okay, let me see if I can do that. Of course, you know, when I see Mr. Engelke, if he's out of town or something, then we're not going to be able to do it. But I'll try to recall you tomorrow so
Thank
that
you.
if it works, it'll give you an opportunity, okay?
Thank you so much.
All right, let me just find you on my docket so that I can make my notes.
I appreciate it. It's just a peace of mind. I know that my MCR isn't set till May 4th, but having a peace of mind on this case will be a big
Yeah.
relief, especially on my side being detained and all.
Yeah. Well, I
Thank
mean,
you. I did submit a 1244A though, so I was just gonna see if I could receive the time served. If you could do it without me, that'd be great.
Well, I mean, I don't get into that because I'm
Okay.
not your lawyer, so.
Okay.
Okay, so I'm
Thank
going
you.
to recall this. Tomorrow is the April is it the 13th? Yeah,
Yes.
13th at 10 o'clock, okay?
Thank you.
And we'll try to get you brought in from the jail, all right. Okay.
Thanks
so
for your
at this
honor.
time, you're excused, ma'am. You have a good afternoon. You take
You
care.
too. Thank you.
Okay.
Highlighted those numbers.
So we're waiting for Jocelyn Andrews.
Where is Kevin located at?
He's in a felony court doing an MTR. No, he's in a felony court, but I didn't get from. Kevin, do you know what court Mr. Engelke is in?
No, I mean, where is Kevin at?
I did not ask him which court.
That's okay. I misheard Deputy Butler's question. He was asking where you're at.
Oh, I'm in my office right now. I could not get the docking station to work in the office, so I just I had to come down here, and it works here, so I don't know what's going on over there.
Yeah.
Okay. 'Cause Crispin said he's downstairs, and it's like, I didn't know he moved from Aleda's office. So
Yeah.
I'm like,
Okay.
I looked it up on Google for me.
Okay. Well,
So if that happens again, I need to know where his actual body's located downstairs. So I can send people to him.
yeah. Mr. Hernandez is not here. We were waiting for him. Oscar Hernandez. Kevin, oh, he's gone. Okay. That's James Tochi. Okay, I'm going to put him in a breakout room.
Thanks, Karen.
All right. That'll be Mr. Tochi. I'll send you to room 4. And your client will go to room 4 also. Jaime Galvan, right?
Matilda Gomez.
Your lawyer is Mr. Tochi or who?
Yeah, Mr. Tochi.
Okay. I'm going to send you to room 4 to talk with your lawyer.
Okay.
Mr. Galvan's gonna speak.
Judge, I'm gonna step away for just one quick second.
Okay. All right.
Judge, do
All
I
right.
come and, join this room that you're
Yeah,
taking me to?
Right. You just click on that. It says join breakout room 4. Click on that and you'll be meeting with your lawyer.
Okay, thank you.
How do I do this?
Good morning.
Excuse me, ma'am. How do I go to room 4?
Oh, wait a minute. Maybe I sent the wrong person. Mr. Tochi is your lawyer, Ms. Galvan, Ms. Gomez?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I sent the wrong person. Sorry about that.
Okay.
Okay, you see that prompt now?
Okay.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
Mr. Tochi, I sent the wrong person to meet with you. Sorry about
Oh,
that.
it's okay. I'll head back over there right now.
All right, thank you. So that was Mr. Galvan. I'm going to bring him back out. Okay, okay, Mr. Galvan's back. Good. Sorry, Mr. Galvan, I misheard.
No worries.
The name of your lawyer is?
Ramiro Estrada.
Okay, Ramiro Estrada. We're waiting for him. Okay. Yes.
Judge, she had a death in the family and the burial was on the 19th. I want to see if we could have a recall the following week.
Okay. So you want another, okay, so will you, there's no one in Miss Leda's room? You went there? All right, I'm going to reset it to May 12th.
May 12th?
Uh-huh. And today is April, the 12th. Reset to May 12th, 22. Okay, how am I doing?
Been good?
Yeah,
Are you sad? Later?
yeah, of course. And it's sort of stressful, but
To say the least, yeah. Lydia, you have somebody lined up?
no. But we do have some, Kevin is helping us and we're gonna have Miss Tran, I think, helping us. So we just have to get used to each other and the, way we do things here. So
Okay, Judge, thank you.
you have a good day.
Excuse me, Your Honor.
Yes, sir.
Were you guys able to reach out to my attorney?
We re-invited Mr. Estrada.
Right, okay.
So we're waiting to see if he's able to come in. We're going to recess at noon so we can take our lunch. So I'm hoping he comes in before that.
Okay,
Okay.
thank you.
Your Honor,
Mr.
may I
Good?
approach?
Yes, sir. Did you have a chance to confer?
I did. So on Richard Muniz,
Yes.
we are not the attorney on his felonies to get that information to you. And on Adrian Martinez, with that MTR, we have come to a proposed resolution. I still need to speak with my client, and we request a 30-day reset, and I will schedule with the prosecution the best time to get that taken care of.
So
Sorry,
we're
is
going
it?
Did you say something, Mr. Courtois?
No, Judge, I think it was Mr. Martinez.
Okay, so I'm going to reset Mr. Martinez and Mr. Muniz to May 12th. Okay,
Okay, yes, ma'am.
Mr. Martinez, you're excused, sir. Stay in touch with your lawyer. Be sure and write down May 12th is when you need to come back, okay?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
And possibly you won't need to. They may have resolved it before that, but that is a backup so that we don't have things, go awry and not get done. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. And Mr. Muniz, I think I excused him at 10:45. So, okay.
Thank you, Your Honor. May I be
Thank you,
excused?
Mr. Good. Yes, sir. You have a great day. Take care.
You too.
May I be excused, Your Honor?
Mr. Martinez, you are excused, sir. Yes, sir. Stay in touch with your lawyer, okay?
Yes, ma'am. Have a good one.
You too. Okay. As far as I can tell, we have 3 lawyers we're waiting for. Ramiro Estrada, Jocelyn Andrews, and Oscar Hernandez. I'm not sure I looked through all of them yet. Anne Marie Smith. Anne Marie Smith is another one.
Judge, in the meantime, I know that you have the defendant Brian Gonzalez in the breakout room, and I think you wanted me to tell him his attorney. So I will go in there right now. And
Great.
Do you want me to excuse him from there? I don't know if we gave him or do you want me to ask him just to come back?
I may have made a note. Let me see if I did. He's got a motion to withdraw on the felony. He's going to get a new lawyer, right? So you know what? I don't think I gave a reset date. That should be May 12th also. And yeah, he can just leave from the breakout room.
Okay, I don't think, sorry, couldn't find it. I think he has one attorney on one of the cases appointed.
Ronald Geyer, is that the one?
No, he has 2 cases. I don't think the second one was set today. But on the other case, he has Mr. Joe Stenberg appointed on it. Would you like me to appoint him?
Yeah.
Okay.
Please, yeah, that'll work.
And then, I'm sorry, the reset date one more time was?
May 12th.
May 12th, okay. And then just to confirm, do you want me to release him from there or bring him back to you here?
Yeah, you can just release him from there. It's close enough to noon. That's fine.
Okay, all right.
Thank you. Gary Church has not come in. Okay. So, Kevin,
Yes, Judge.
I've got 6 lawyers that did not come in. And I know you re-invited at least 3 of those. I don't know Anne Marie Smith, Gary Churrock did not come in, and Daniel Rodriguez did not come in. Ramiro Estrada, Jocelyn Andrews, and Oscar Hernandez. So what I like to do is, I know they're busy, depending on the circumstances, I might just recall them for tomorrow, because I don't want to let things fall through the cracks. At the same time, I think that, the clients were here. So they'll come in, but we don't need to have the clients, but we just want to be sure that they actually address this. So Mr. Galván is waiting for Ramiro Estrada. We're still hoping. There's still 9 minutes according to the clock on the wall. But
Okay, so can you go over those names one more time on which ones you'd like me to recall?
Yes.
I don't
Yeah.
know that.
I don't know. I know Miss Andrews has some, I think she has some health issues, Jocelyn Andrews. But I would just like to have some kind of announcement. Oscar Hernandez, he had 2 of them, I think. And I would like to recall that unless they come in after lunch. Anne Marie Smith, I don't remember who that is. And she didn't come in or call. So I'd like to recall that. Tomorrow at, and I think we'll just recall those tomorrow at 1:30.
Okay.
Gary Churrock also recall at 1:30, and Daniel Rodriguez.
Judge, I believe we had somebody here from Mr. Rodriguez, or was it only on one case?
Oh, yeah, that was that Miss Peace, maybe?
That is right.
Yeah.
I think on Dana
Okay,
Montano,
so-
so I think you may have
Okay.
given.
Okay, so then he did have someone here. Okay. Good. It's only 5. All right. I mean, people are just really overwhelmed right now with work, so. Yeah, Daniel Rodriguez, there it is on page 3, on Angelique Lee. What was that?
Sorry, just we're in our office, so there's movement. Forgot to mute myself.
We're having a party and they didn't invite us.
I know.
I heard somebody say, I got cupcakes.
You can't
I
have,
don't know.
we're still on YouTube Live. I'm gonna get us off. I don't think we need to be on anymore right now. Let me see, who's in the breakout rooms? Oh, everybody's out. Okay, I'm gonna turn that off. Okay, it's 5 minutes.